Hours later, the Soyuz MS-21 arrived and docked to the pre-shell module for the first time ever, and hooks closed on both sides of the docking interface to form a hard mate between the Soyuz MS-21 and the International Space. And you're now seeing a view inside the space station, opening up the hatch.
So, okay, I guess it's your turn now. Until now?
Давай.
Because copy. Sounds good. We'll transfer all of these items.
Еще третий скафандр надо.
Опа.
Go. That's right.
The hatch is open.
Так.
Hatch opening occurring at 4:48 p.m.
What was that? Yes, go ahead. And I'm going to finish up here.
First through the hatch is Denise Matviev.
Denise, go ahead. Your go. All right.
And next up we'll see Central Time, 5:48 p.m. Eastern Time. With the Soyuz MS-21 and its crew now safely